Hello viewers, are you facing Google error 405 on your smart TV? You're not alone. This common issue can be frustrating, interrupting your streaming and entertainment experience. Today, I'm here to guide you on how to fix Google error 405 on smart TV with a few straightforward steps. Step 1. Understand Google error 405. Before diving into solutions, it's essential to understand what Google error 405 means. This error typically denotes method not allowed, which occurs when the server recognizes your request but the method specified isn't allowed for the resource. On smart TVs, it usually arises due to browser or app incompatibilities or incorrect settings. Step 2. Check your internet connection. First, ensure that your smart TV is connected to a stable internet connection. Poor or unstable connections can lead to loading issues and, consequently, errors like 405. Navigate to your TV's settings to test your connection and make sure it's working effectively. Restart your router. Unplug your router for about 30 seconds and then plug it back in. This can help resolve temporary connectivity issues. Reconnect TV to Wi-Fi. Use the network settings on your TV to disconnect and then reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Clear browser cache on smart TV. If you're using a web browser on your smart TV, cache data might be causing conflicts, resulting in the 405 error. Clearing the cache can often resolve the issue. Access browser settings. Open the web browser on your smart TV and go to its settings menu. Clear cache history. Find the option to clear cache or browsing history and proceed with it. Step 4. Update apps and firmware. Outdated apps and firmware can also trigger Google error 405. Ensuring everything is up to date can prevent compatibility problems. Update your apps. Go to your TV's app store and check for updates. Make sure all your apps, especially web browsers, are updated to the latest versions. Update TV firmware. Head to the settings menu of your TV and look for system updates. If an update is available, proceed to install it. Step 5. Reset app preferences. Sometimes incorrect app preferences can cause this error to appear. Resetting them can provide a clean slate and resolve the 405 issue. Access app setting. Navigate to your TV settings and find the application or app management section. Reset preferences. Look for the option to reset app preferences, which will restore them to default settings. Step 6. Alternative browsing option. If all else fails, using a different browser or streaming app could bypass the error. Some browsers may handle requests differently. Try another browser. Download a different browser available on your TV App Store to see if the issue persists. Use an alternative streaming app. If the error occurs while accessing a specific service, consider using its dedicated app instead of going through a browser. Dealing with Google error 405 on your smart TV can be a hassle, but with these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix the problem efficiently. Understanding the essence of the error, ensuring a robust internet connection, updating your system and apps, and trying alternative options can significantly help. By following this guide on how to fix Google error 405 on smart TV, you'll be back to enjoying seamless streaming in no time. Happy watching.